Hey everyone, welcome back to NetProfitNinja, and today we're diving deep into something that I know many of you are eager to learn about: how to make money online in 2025 using one of the easiest and laziest methods possible. Imagine earning $100 a day or even more with minimal effort. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In fact, it's totally achievable. The best part? You don't need any prior experience or technical skills. You don't need to create your own product, and you don't need a huge following or audience. What I'm about to show you is all about using affiliate marketing to sell digital products, which is something I've been doing for a while, and it has allowed me to build a steady stream of income from the comfort of my home. This strategy works whether you're just getting started or if you're already in the game but looking for a simpler, less time-consuming method. So let me walk you through my step-by-step process on how you can start earning $100 per day online by selling digital products like online courses, software subscriptions, and other digital products. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos where I'll share more tips and tricks for making money online. Let's jump in. Step 1. Find a high CPM niche. The first step in this process is identifying the right niche. If you're unfamiliar with the term, a niche is simply a specific topic or industry that you'll focus your content around. And choosing the right niche is crucial because it directly affects how much money you can make through affiliate marketing. Now, let's talk about something very important in the world of affiliate marketing: CPM. CPM stands for cost per mille, which translates to cost per thousand impressions. Essentially, this metric tells you how much advertisers are willing to pay to get their ads in front of your audience. The higher the CPM, the more money you can make. Certain niches are simply more profitable because advertisers know that people in these industries are willing to spend money. So, to make things simpler for you, here are some of the most lucrative niches you should consider when starting out. High CPM niches make money online? Online, this is by far one of the most profitable niches you can enter. People are always looking for ways to make money from home, build businesses, and find passive income opportunities. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or selling digital products, this niche is always in demand. Health and fitness. The health and wellness industry continues to grow every single year. People are constantly searching for ways to lose weight, get in shape, improve their mental health, and live a better lifestyle. There are tons of affiliate programs related to health supplements, fitness courses, workout gear, and meal plans that can earn you high commissions. Travel. Travel is another evergreen niche that generates high CPM. Whether people are looking for tips on budget travel, luxury vacations, or advice on travel gear, this niche has a high number of people who are ready to spend money. Affiliate programs related to booking hotels, flights, car rentals, and even travel insurance offer high-paying opportunities. Self-improvement. People are always looking for ways to improve their lives. Whether it's personal development, productivity hacks, mindset, or meditation, the self-improvement niche continues to attract a large audience. This niche also offers high-value affiliate products like courses, books, and software tools designed to help people grow and improve their lives. Technology and gadgets. Tech lovers are always looking for the next big thing, whether it's the latest smartphone, laptop, or piece of software. Affiliate programs in this space are highly lucrative, and the audience is passionate and willing to spend money on high-quality products. When choosing your niche, it's important to pick something that excites you. If you're passionate about the topic, it'll be much easier to create content that resonates with your audience. Plus, being authentic and enthusiastic about what you're promoting builds trust with your audience, which is key to driving conversions. Step 2. Set up your channel. Now that you've chosen your niche, the next step is to set up your channel. Setting up a YouTube channel is simple, and you don't need fancy equipment to get started. Here's a breakdown of what you need to do to create your online presence. Creating your YouTube channel. Sign up for a Google account. If you don't have one already, you'll need to create a Google account. YouTube is owned by Google, so once you have an account, you can easily set up a YouTube channel. Pick a catchy name. Your channel name should reflect your niche. Try to choose a name that's easy to remember and gives people an idea of what your content is about. For example, if you're in the make money online niche, you might go with something like Earn with Ease or Passive Profits 101. Create a professional-looking banner. The banner is the first thing people see when they visit your channel, so make sure it looks clean, professional, and reflects your niche. You don't need a graphic design degree to make one. Tools like Canva offer easy-to-use templates that you can customize to fit your brand. Write a compelling channel description. This is where you tell viewers what your channel is all about. Be sure to highlight the value you offer, especially if you're sharing affiliate marketing tips, digital products, or ways to make money online. For instance, you might write something like, "On this channel, I share tips and strategies on how to make money online through affiliate marketing, digital products, and passive income streams." And once your channel is set up, you can start creating content that will attract an audience and drive affiliate sales. Step 3. Create a pillar video. The next step is creating your pillar video. This is the foundation of your content strategy. A pillar video is an in-depth, high-value video that addresses a specific topic related to your niche. The goal of this video is to provide a comprehensive review or guide of a product or service you're promoting through affiliate marketing. What makes a pillar video? Long-form content. A pillar video is typically longer than your usual YouTube videos. It could range anywhere from 20 minutes to 1 hour long, depending on the topic. The idea is that it should be a detailed, informative video that covers everything someone needs to know about a product or service. Clear call to action. At the end of the video, you'll include a clear call to action, CTA, telling viewers what to do next. This could be asking them to click the link in your description to buy or enroll in the product you're promoting. Be sure to emphasize the benefits of the product and how it can help your viewers achieve their goals. Provide value. Your pillar video should not just be a sales pitch. Instead, aim to educate your audience and offer real value. If you're promoting an online course, for example, explain how the course works, what they will learn, and why it's worth investing in. The more value you offer, the more likely your viewers will trust your recommendations. Step 4. Create feeder content. Feeder content plays a critical role in driving traffic to your pillar video. Feeder content refers to shorter videos, typically YouTube Shorts or smaller long-form videos that are designed to attract new viewers and funnel them towards your main pillar video. How to use feeder content effectively. YouTube Shorts. These are quick, snackable videos that are less than 60 seconds long. You can create shorts to share quick tips, hacks, or snippets of information related to your niche. Since shorts are gaining popularity on YouTube, they're a great way to grab the attention of new viewers and get them to check out your full-length videos. Regular long-form videos. In addition to shorts, you can create regular videos that dive deeper into a specific aspect of your niche. For instance, if your pillar video is about affiliate marketing, you could create shorter videos on how to pick the right affiliate products, how to track affiliate sales, or tips for growing an audience. Each video should link to your pillar video, which will ultimately drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Consistency is key. When creating feeder content, consistency is crucial. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and attract new subscribers. The more content you have, the more chances you give yourself to drive traffic to your pillar video and generate affiliate sales. Step 5. Offer a free course or resource. At the end of every video, especially your feeder content, you want to provide an incentive for your viewers to take the next step. Offering a free course, guide, or resource can significantly boost your affiliate sales because it builds trust with your audience. How offering a free course helps build trust. When you give away valuable information for free, people are more likely to trust you and feel comfortable purchasing products through your affiliate links. Provide more value. A free resource, like an ebook or mini course, can provide your audience with even more value, which makes them more likely to take your affiliate recommendations seriously. Increase conversions. By offering a free resource, you're giving your viewers a taste of what they can expect from the paid products you recommend. This can increase conversions, as viewers are more likely to purchase if they've already received something of value for free. You can link the free course or resource in your video description and mention it at the end of each video to encourage more people to click through. So, there you have it, your complete guide to making money online in 2025 using the laziest method possible. With affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and a little strategy, you can start earning $100 a day or more with minimal effort. This method doesn't require you to be an expert or have a huge audience at the start, just a little bit of dedication, some consistency, and the right strategy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more ways to make money online. Check out this video for the laziest way to make money online. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.